Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Chase, and more specifically, we're gonna talk about how to order Chase Bank personal checks, how to find replacement checks for your checking account through Chase. So let's go ahead and get this started. So first off, if you're not familiar with Chase, it is one of the largest banking institutions here in America. I believe they are an international bank, but I'm not too sure. I know they are really popular here in the US. If you happen to know, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. So a light overview on what checks are. Basically, they are paper banking instruments that allow you to make a payment to someone or some company and just writing it out a physical paper check, and then once they deposit it, the money is taken from your checking account and deposited into their account. So there's three ways that I know how to order Chase checking account replacements, and I'm going to go over those with you now. So the first way you can find your replacement checks is through the bank directly. So I bank with Chase, and as you can see, I have the app right here, but once you log into the app, there is no function for you to order checks, at least not one that I can find. If you happen to know one, be sure to leave me a comment below. However, if you go onto a desktop computer and you log into your account, you can order replacement checks right through their website. What you want to do is go ahead and log in, and on the top right of your account, there is a function that says things to do. Once you click there, you want to go ahead and click on the option that says order checks. Now, it looks like when I click through that function, Chase doesn't actually print out the checks. They outsource to a third party called Deluxe, which specializes in replacing checking account checks. So again, it's not actually Chase that's doing the printing, but you can order those through the website. So that's the first way I know how to find and replace your checks through Chase Bank. The second way is you can call Chase directly and place the order over the phone. So if you do that, the price might be different, and all you want to do is just call the customer service number that's on the back of your debit card, and once you go through the automated system, just talk to one of the customer service representatives, let them know you want to replace your checks, and they'll tell you what the price is. Depending on what type of account that you have, there might be some sort of a promo, or you may even get paper checks for free. So that would be the first thing you want to do, is check with the bank directly. For me, if I go through the website, they offer 100 checks for $20, which is not exactly cheap, but it is convenient because they already have my banking information there. The third way that you can order checks for your Chase checking account is just by Googling it. So as you can see right here, I Googled order Chase checks, and what happens is a lot of companies that actually print off checks for a lot of different banks, and some of them have different designs and some of them have different security features. So as you can see right now, there are these sponsored results. There's one through Checks Unlimited, some company called Checks for Less. There's Deluxe right there. So just a lot of different options, and just look for one that you like as far as the design goes, but also be sure to check the different prices. So as you can see right here, Deluxe is one of the more expensive options for finding replacement checks for your Chase checking account. Now, if you decide to go through another company outside of your typical bank, it's not a problem, but they will need to have your account number and your routing number. So just make sure that you have one of your voided checks pulled up, and that way you have the right information to provide for them, because the last thing you want to do is pay one of these companies and then they print off the checks and send you the wrong information. That's not going to be any good, because it's not going to do what it needs to do in order to pay people. You may end up getting canceled check fees or NSF fees and things like that. So make sure that you use one of your paid canceled checks that you pull from your account in your Chase bank account activity. So there you have it. That's three ways to order checks for your Chase checking account. If you know a different way to find that information or a good resource, be sure to leave us a comment below. I'm going to try to leave some links in the description box below, so be sure to check there if you will be ordering replacement checks. So hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.